Hello, my name is Philip Reisner. I'm one of the founders and CEO of LINBIT. And before I jump into the slide deck, I want to stress that LINBIT is an open source company. So our DNA is open source. It is like the sum of our core values to us. Now, in order to tell you more about the company, I'm going to share a few slides. So we are a 35 people company. Most of us are located in Vienna, Austria, and the second half of our team is spread across the United States. Here you find a few partners, customers we work with. And as you see here, we work with partners worldwide to deliver our services to our customers. In the context of OpenNebula, I want to only speak about LINBIT SDS, since this makes sense in this context. So when would you use it? You would use it if you need persistent volumes for containers or persistent volumes for virtual machines under OpenNebula. What kind of applications I fit? Well, everything that is I/O demanding. So transaction processing, databases, Postgres, Oracle database, you name it. It's also a good fit for analytic processing like DB2 Warehouse, where we have this strong read workloads intermediate with update everything. Now, why is it a good fit for such I/O demanding workloads? Because our data path is completely in kernel, so we can save with the amount of context switches and be very conservative when it comes to memory usage. In contrast to some other solutions, we allocate all the replicas in the moment you create a virtual volume. So in that moment, we decide which of the storage servers will hold replicas of the virtual volumes. It is built from existing components. And again, here you can see that we are open source company. We are reusing DRBD, LVM, CFS, LUX, and so on. And this is to help your day two operations, because your people already know some of these parts, and they can, and that helps them in case they need to debug or analyze an issue. And with all that, it is very well suited to be used in a hyper-converged way. So with OpenNebula being the orchestrator who orchestrates your virtual machine workload, and on the same servers, you have your software-defined storage layer running. What is it doing? So basically, it manages all the storage on a few servers, might be 3, might be up to thousands, supports multiple storage tier, multi-tenancy. What it does, basically, it does replication for virtual volumes so that they are highly available and online when you need them, even in the presence of hardware failure. It can manage and find the right path over your network, and all of it can be part of your business contingency plan. That's about the slides I want to talk here. And that was all about technology. And if you want to learn more about technology, please join the presentation of my colleague. I think that's scheduled for tomorrow. And LINBIT is delivering support and the consulting. And so we help you how to plan the deployment of LINBIT with OpenNebula, with our team of 4 solution architects and the whole support team. So I hope I could spark your interest. See you soon in the other presentation.